imagine this. You're on your way to your HCOM class, it's presentation day, and all of a sudden you realize you have a flat tire. You have no time to wait for a car service company to come fix it for you, and you have no idea how to fix one by your hands yourself. So for lack of better words, you'd be screwed. So according to stopandgoblog.com on April 5th, 2017, statistics show that on average, the normal driver will experience up to 5 flat tires in their lifetime. So now knowing this statistic and how likely it is that you will probably experience a flat tire, I would recommend to take notes or something on what I'm going to talk about today, because it could probably help you in your near future. And I'm credible to talk about this because I've had probably like a handful of flat tires in my life. For some reason, I'm just the bearer of bad luck with that. And I was actually taught firsthand by my dad how to change a tire, and I also did research to inform you on all this as well. So having basic knowledge of the steps it takes to change a flat tire can save you in the future, and you could also help save someone else in that same situation. First, I will go over how to recognize and what to do when you have a flat tire. Then I'll go over the tools that are recommended to actually help you successfully change that. And then lastly, I'll go over the steps to physically change the tire. So, as I'm going to discuss how to recognize and what to do in this situation, if you do have a flat tire, just be aware of your surroundings as you're realizing this, so your safety is the first priority. Recognizing you have a flat tire is the very first step to solving this unfortunate situation. And to help you recognize that you have a flat tire will also help you save your rim, which could also end up damaged. This is a normal flat tire in case no one knew. And this is what could happen to your rim if you drive like longer on your flat tire. So if you feel thumping or anything and your car feels off, you should probably pull over off the road and examine your tire. And next, you would turn on your hazards to alert other drivers that you are in the state of emergency. So after realizing you have a flat tire, the next thing you should do is probably make sure you have the correct tools to do so. According to bridgestonetire.com, a tire store website, on February 6, 2016, in order to successfully change your tire, it's imperative you have the correct tools and your owner manual as well. The tools that are here are the ones that it says needed. This is a jack. Most cars come with it, and this is also a lug wrench. And then you also will need an owner's manual as well to probably tell you how to use the jack for your car or where your spare tire is located. So that is also important. And as I have just explained the tools, I will now explain the actual steps to changing your tire. So, changing your tire is a lot easier than most people would think. As me at first, I was like, there's no way I could ever do that. And really all it is taking off your flat tire and putting on your spare. So, according to GoodyearTire.com on April 9th, 2017, there is a step-by-step guide of how to change a tire, and that is what I'm going to explain today. So first, you locate your spare tire, get out your manual. Here's the spare tire on the ground, the flat tire right there. And your first thing you're going to do is look for the lug nuts, which are these metal pieces right here. And you will then use the tool I explained to you guys, the lug wrench, to take those off. And then once you take those off, that'll loosen the tire, so you can take that tire off and put your spare on. And then you're going to use that lug wrench again. Right here, it's just putting them on. And you're going to tighten them back onto your spare tire. And make sure when you do that it's super tight, because that is what holds your tire to your car. So, as I've just explained actually how to change the tire, now I will come to a close. First, I explained what to do when you're in this situation, how to recognize that you have a flat tire, and then I explained the tools that is recommended to use, such as the lug wrench and the jack for the car as well. So, as I said before, knowing how to change a flat tire can not only help you but someone else, and could help you if you're on the way to a job interview or class, or just save you from really being stuck in that situation. And with all that being said, next time you are driving and next time you're driving and you end up with a flat tire on the way to some occasion or interview of some sort, think back to that girl in HCOM that taught you how to change a tire, and maybe you'll thank me.